Mahigit isang siglo na ang lumipas. Hanggang ngayon, hati pa rin ang opinyon tungkol kina Aguinaldo at Bonifacio. Posible kayang naging mas matugumpay ang katipunan kung naresolba ang hidwaan sa pagitan ng dalawang paksyon nito. Sa pananaw ni Xiao Chua,
If the forces of Aguinaldo and Bonifacio were able to, sort their differences to have one unified katipunan in Cavite, they could have resisted for quite some time until, of course, they were able to negotiate with another power, which is the Americans. I do not know. But there could have been yung victory sana natin as a revolution, yung nangyari nung independence nung 1898, would have been more poignant in the sense that the forces actually were able to sort their differences out. But of course, as many elections happened, unity, di ba? Nung una, Bonifacio, Aguinaldo, you are together, di ba? You fought the revolution together, and then of course, eventually, mag-aaway din kayo. Which is what happened in our Tejeros Convention. It happened among the guerrillas during the war. You know this very well. They were fighting with each other. After battling together, you fight with each other. This also happened during the People Power Revolution. Diba? Forces went together, the left and the right. They disintegrated. And same with what happened with Bongbong Marcos and Sara Duterte. So it's a repeating pattern which I think we have to escape if we're going to learn from history.